Hi everyone! Today we're making these delicious no-bake cake rolls that are super soft and creamy. They look so cute on the table, and I'm sure everyone is going to love them. To start, let's make the filling. In a bowl, add 1/4 cup or 55 grams of butter at room temperature, 1/3 cup or 45 grams of powdered sugar, and 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Mix well until it's creamy, scraping down the sides of the bowl when needed so everything mixes evenly. Now add 1/2 cup or 113 grams of cream cheese at room temperature and mix again until it's smooth and fully combined. Place this filling in the fridge for about 15 to 20 minutes so it can firm up slightly while we prepare the cake layer. Next, we're melting 1/2 cup or 80 grams of chocolate. You can use either semi-sweet or milk chocolate, whichever you prefer. Keep in mind that milk chocolate will make the cake a bit sweeter. Melt it in the microwave in 30-second intervals, stirring in between until it's completely melted, and then set it aside. In a large bowl, add 1 pound or 450 grams of chocolate cake, either store-bought or homemade. You can use any chocolate cake you like, even a cake that didn't turn out exactly how you wanted. This recipe is a great way to use it. Go ahead and crumble the cake with your hands. Add the melted chocolate to the cake crumbs and start mixing with your hands. The mixture will feel a bit crumbly at this stage, so we're going to add some milk. I'm using about 4 tablespoons or 60 grams of milk, but this amount can vary depending on how moist your cake is. I recommend adding 1 tablespoon at a time and mixing until you have a soft dough that isn't dry or crumbly and doesn't stick to your hands. The dough should be soft and easy to work with. Now, transfer the dough to a large piece of parchment paper or a kitchen bag that's been cut open. I like to roll the dough out inside the plastic because it makes the process much easier and it won't stick to anything. Use a rolling pin to flatten the dough until it's about 1/6 of an inch or 4 millimeters thick. While you roll it out, adjust the sides to form a large rectangle. Once the dough reaches the right thickness, trim the edges to form a clean, even rectangle. Now we can use the filling that's been chilling in the fridge. Spread the filling all over the cake to create a thin, even layer. Using the plastic wrap to help you, gently roll the cake into a long cylinder. Wrap it tightly in the plastic and place it on a plate or tray. Refrigerate for about 1 to 2 hours, or until it's firm and easy to slice. Once the roll is firm, remove the plastic and cut it into slices about 1/2 inch or 1.5 centimeters thick. The slices are easy to cut, and because everything is chilled, they hold their shape perfectly. Keep these little rolls in the fridge until you're ready to serve them. They'll stay fresh for up to 3 days. And that's it! These no-bake cake rolls are soft, creamy, and very easy to make. If you enjoyed this recipe, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more easy dessert ideas. See you next time!